Someone sent us this question. Good morning po. May question po ako. Why does this expression 2xy times y raised to negative 2 raised to 4 over y raised to negative 3 equals to 2x over y raised to 4? Let's try to rewrite first the expression. So meron kang 2xy and then you're multiplying it by y raised to negative 2 and then again you're raising that one by 4 all over y raised to negative 3. So always remember, rule of exponents, if a power is raised by another power, we're just going to multiply the exponents. So yung ating negative y raised to negative 2 raised to 4, that is just equal to y raised to negative 8. So rewrite lang natin, meron kang 2xy times y raised to negative 8 over y raised to 3. And then again, rule of exponents again, pag meron kang mga negative na exponents, para maging positive yan, kunin mo yung reciprocal. So itong ating y raised to negative 8, this is just equal to 1 over y over 8. And yung ating 1 over y raised to negative 3, that is just equal to y raised to 3. So meaning to say, we're just flipping this equation or expression here. So meron kang 2xy times y cubed over y raised to 8. And then we're just going to simplify things out. Ito makancel to, di ba? Ang maiwan dito is y raised to 5. Pero meron pang y dyan, so makancel yung again, meron kang y raised to 4. So yung sagot mo will be 2x over y raised to 4. I hope that makes sense, and then follow for more.